Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how old cars are recycled into railway tracks. That's the step. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory documentaries like that.
Precision melting and purification ensure the highest quality recycled steel. Watch the temperature. It's climbing.
Confirmed. Holding at 145. Chemical mix is stable.
Override initiated. Monitor closely.
All clear.
Every stage is carefully controlled to meet strict railway safety standards.
Each railway track is rigorously tested to ensure maximum durability and safety. And that's how old cars are transformed into strong, reliable railway tracks, from start to finish.